Right guys, Zoxy's mum here. Zoxy food shouldn't be in the hospital. We've got to get the what is it now? I don't know. He shouldn't be in the hospital anyway. Advocacy, that's the advocacy. They don't deserve the hospital, they don't deserve it.
Yesterday's problems are here today. Sending a twist anyway. Irrational beliefs are getting me down. Hey, I'm the king here. Where's my crown? I wanna be like Johnny Cash. Yeah, a man dressed all in black. My illusions are not of him. Send me back to the loony bin. Where white noise fills the air, you won't find solutions here. Cigarettes and playing cards. I'm back joke from security guard. TV blaring, radio on. Near swearing, section 1. But I don't know, wherever I go, white noise will sure to follow. The lake, you should try it. Oh, I felt get myself a job, 'cause I'm obsessed with a man named Bob. 'Cause I love the sounds he sings. I stuck on Firth Street, brought me back in. Of my tears, and I'm ready for no fear, 'cause what is written can't be changed. So thank you Austin, thank you Jane, 'cause my mind is rearranged, and I'm ready for a change.
Zoxy crew are well now, the Zoxy crew are well. Yeah, thank you. There's a joke for you, Alan. I used to work on lifts. It's had its ups and downs. So, you don't deserve that joke. You don't deserve it. White Noise by the Zoxy crew.